All right, good morning. As you can see, we've got some snow on the ground. But we're going to be having a Boston butt cooking in here. I've got my Best of the West 100% lump charcoal. This is mesquite charcoal. I like this stuff pretty good. I also scattered out, as you can see, some apple wood chips. This is the Cowboy brand and wood chips for use in gas and charcoal grills. These do pretty good. I'm just going to let this get smoking real good and move some of these bigger ones on the sides to get that going good. I've started last night. I rubbed down my Boston butt. I'll go in there and show you that in just a minute. Fixed to get it to room temperature. So let's go look at that real quick. Alright, so here is our Boston butt. You can tell where my seasoning is. I used Bad Byrons Butt Rubb barbecue seasoning. I've never heard of it. Bought it at Winn-Dixie. I've never done this before. Bad Byrons says a little. See if I can get that in there. A little butt rub makes everything better. We'll have to agree with that, won't we? All right. Well, this has been sitting out for maybe 10 minutes or so. We're going to let it sit out. I just checked on the grill. It is doing fine. And so we will check back in with you soon. So I got the butt on there now. I made a diffuser. I bought a Weber grill part. It is a 22-inch grill, Weber charcoal grill part, great, and it fits down in there. I covered it with tinfoil, and then I put another tinfoil thing right there, as you can see, to catch the drippings and everything. So anyway, I'm gonna try to get this set at about, I'm hoping, you can tell right now it's at about 300. I want it at about 350, which you can see it's rising already. I've got my thing just barely open. Same thing for that one, if you can tell. I don't know if you can really see that too good, but it's almost closed basically. But anyway, I'm gonna cook this bad boy. It's about 8:45 in the morning. I'm gonna cook it for about 5 or 6 hours and then see how we go. So it's rising right above the 350 right there. Anyway, we will check back with you in a couple of hours. Hey guys, it is now 12:15. I put it on here at 8:45 this morning. So it's been on here for 3.5 hours, and you can tell it's been pretty steady at about the 325 to 350 range. I came out here a little bit ago and it was around 375, and I had to close my vents a little bit, and then anyway, so let's check it out and see what's going on now. Oh yeah, that thing is looking delish, isn't it? So here we go. So I'm gonna let it cook for a few more hours, you know, and yep. All right, so very good. We'll see you in a couple of more hours. All right, so here we go. Everything cooked really good. I cooked it for about, it's 1:15 now. I put it on there at 8:45. So it's at 4.5 hours. My temperature is just above 200, and maybe that's a little bit too much, but anyway, I'm going to wrap it up and let it sit for a few hours, and then we'll tear into it. All right, so here is our Boston butt, and you know, all my family said, "That's it? It's so small." I was like, "Yeah, well, I bought a little one. This was the first time I ever done. I can't even remember how many pounds it was. It's probably 4 or 5 pounds, I'm guessing. You know, let me undo it, and we'll go from there." All right, I have uncovered the Boston butt, and we're going to see what is going on with it on the inside. So let me cut into it real quick, and I will be right back because I don't got but 2 hands. So hold on. All right, so here we are. Got it cut open, as you can see. You know, whenever I went last night to buy, there was only 2 Boston butts left, and I chose this one. So, but it looks good. This is my first attempt at ever trying anything like this. So, here is, you know, the meat. It tastes pretty good. Actually, I really haven't tasted it yet. I just licked my fingers once, but it's good. It's real tender. It's good. It's real good. All right. So anyway, well, there you go, guys. I'm gonna mix this up and put some barbecue sauce on it, and make some sandwiches. So I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching, and keep on cooking. Peace out.